What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series with a brand new spray out. Now, what I picked today is a little unconventional, and the other day it just come to my head and I wanted to see, I was curious, gold and silver metallics. Now, they're great for using like candies over top of them, and they're great as a translucent base, but that got me thinking, what would happen if I put a ghost pearl over top of gold and silver? And how many coats would it take to get an effect? And what kind of effect would I even get? Because ghost pearls by nature, they're transparent, kind of in the same way candies are, but a little more subtle and a little more of a light effect. Now, the metallics, I'm just going to be honest. I have no idea what this is going to do, but it sounded like a really cool experiment in my head. So today, we're going to try it out. I got this fender prepped up behind me. It's the OG fender for you guys that know. It's got some dings and stuff like that, so it's not in the absolute greatest of shape, but it's perfect for this experiment. And as usual, we're going to two-tone it, gold and silver. And then we're going to hit it with a ghost blue. I don't know how much pigment load. I'm just going to go for it. So let's go ahead and get into today's video and get this sprayed up in some metallic Rustoleum. Alright guys, so we got our metallic silver and our gold laid down. Man, those colors look pretty cool, pretty trippy, right? I'm using my test clear today. This is not to be taken full scale, but it's a 4-to-1 mix. So I got 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of hardener. It's a medium temp hardener because it's about 75 today, so not too bad out. We'll put the hardener in. That should be good enough. And then we're going to look at our ghost pearl. Now, if you guys don't know what ghost pearls are, or interference pearls, they are white particle pearls, and they tend to give more of a sheen effect and then disappear over the color. So it's going to be kind of interesting to see what this does over this gold and the silver. So this is a 10-gram bottle. As far as my 5 ounces of clear, I'm going to be pretty generous today with this guy because I really want to see an effect over it, and I know how this stuff can be. It can be very subtle, so I'm going to put about 1/3 of the bottle in it. Yeah, you heard that right, about 1/3 of the bottle. I'm going to be very generous with this. Alright, and I'll move you guys in close so you can see this mix in action. Alright guys, so here it is. Now if you can see and tell with it, you see a blue sheen whenever it's at an angle, but then it kind of disappears and it just looks white in the mix. That's the white particle basis of it all, guys, and that's kind of what it does. It has a really like ghost-like effect that it puts over whatever you spray it on and just creates a nice little tint. So I'm gonna get this loaded up in my gun and let's spray it over top of these metallics and see what we get. Alright guys, so I got my blue ghost pearl loaded up in my V-bore gun, 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings. And we're going to do a tack coat on this first, and we kind of go from there. So I'm going to put my mask on and let's get into spraying. guys, so this is a spray out today. Metallic gold and metallic silver with a blue ghost pearl over top of it. Now I did about 4 coats of very heavy pearl because I wanted to give this the best chance of creating an effect, and it didn't disappoint. I did have separation over here on the silver. Probably should have let it dry just a little bit longer. These metallic Rustoleum colors, guys, I'm gonna let you know, they are very finicky to work with. I'd almost personally love to create a silver with a pearl over top of black and then go back and do another, coat of the ghost pearl, whatever, and do it that way than deal with these metallic Rustoleum colors, especially out of an actual can to get the mix. Spray can's one thing, but the other is the aluminum. Ooh, I don't like messing with it, but that's just my personal opinion. Anyways, getting back to today's episode, I like the effect. I think it turned out pretty cool, but hey, it's not ultimately up to me. It's up to you guys. Let me know what you thought. Rate it 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the best thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. And any constructive criticism you have to, hey, you shouldn't have put so much pearl in the mix, you dummy, or whatever else. Hey, I don't mind it. It is what it is. Hey, it's a learning experience, and I just wanted you guys to be able to see it as good as I possibly could on camera. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like and comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Helps the channel out tremendously. And if you want to buy pearls, paint guns, clears, regulators, anything you see me use in my videos, guys, links in the description. As seen on YouTube, it takes you to my Amazon storefront, and you can buy everything there. I get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys any extra, and you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. But that's going to be it for me today, guys. This is a spray out. I think it was a very interesting experience, but hey, until the next one, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.